Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you exactly how you can create a quiz in Google Forms as quick as possible. I won't show you all the details around it, but I will show you the most important things that you need to add to your quiz to start as quick as possible. So first of all, click here on blank form, and then right now we have here a blank form and give this quiz a title. So let's say quiz 1. You can add a description if you want to complete all the answers, but you can invest more time in that by yourself. Then the most important thing that we need to do now is go to settings and turn on make this a quiz. Then this is fine, missed questions is fine, correct answers is fine, point values is fine, and then make sure that default question point value is standing on 5. Then we click here on responses and then make sure that limit to 1 response got turned on. So right now, if we go back to questions, we can create here a question by clicking here and then put the question in. Today it's about cats, so let's say how many feet does a cat has? Now this is one option. We can now choose the answer option. So let's say now we have a multiple choice, but you can also do a short answer if you want to. But for this, for a quiz, I prefer multiple choice. Then what we can do here is fill in the answer. So let's say 1, click here on add other, and then we can fill in 2, add another 3, and then add option is 4. Now what we need to do is click here on answer key, and then we can fill in the correct answer. So let's say it's 4. What we also can add now is add answer feedback. So if the answer is incorrect, please study more. Then we can do something like this. Stel the answer is correct, you are smart. So then you can give them a feedback. You can also add a link or a video if you want to, so people can learn more about it, but right now this is fine. Now we click here on done, and right now we created our first question with a correct answer for 5 points because this is an easy question. If you want to change this, click then on answer key and make this one higher. And then we click here on required. So this is a question that you need to fill in to continue. Now, right now we want to add another question. Then we click here on the plus icon for add question. And then we can do it again. So let's say how many feet does a cat has? Now, right now we want that they give a short answer. Then we click here on short answer, and then they can give an answer just right here. But what we want to do now is click here on answer key. Correct answer is 4, or let's say 4 feet. And then right now we can do done, and now we created 2 questions. All right, right now we want to send this to our friends or let's say family. What we need to do now is click here on publish, publish again, and then make sure that you click here on published again, and then do copy responder link, and then do copy. Right now, if we click on a new browser, just right here, and we paste it just right here. Oh, sorry, wait a second. Copy, and we paste it just right here and do enter. This is exactly the quiz that we just created. So let's say now if I do 4 or 3 and then fill in 4 feet and we do submit. Now, I can see here my score. Now, 2 answers are not correct. But right now, if you go back, click this away, cancel, you see here that we have 1 response. So right now what you can do is click on it. Okay, got it. And then you can see what the answers were. Now, if you can see, I don't have names right here. So it's important in the beginning to do an open question with your name. So you need to know exactly who is filling in your quiz. But right now you can see here the details. Now, no correct answers right here. So 0 points, and this is terrible. So right now, if you click here on the 3 dots right here, we can also download all the responses. So you have a nice after view about all the answers. But we can also do a get email notifications for new responses. So you know exactly when someone filled in the quiz. This was how you create a quiz under 5 minutes. So if you have more questions, please comment them below so I can help you out. These are the things that you need to know to start a quiz, and hopefully I could help you out. All right, for now, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. And please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, ciao.